In today's video, I'll show you how to set a video as a background in Pagefly to make your Shopify pages more dynamic and engaging. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, open the Pagefly editor for the page you want to customize. Inside the Pagefly editor, look at the left side menu and click on Elements. Scroll to the Media section and find the HTML video element. Drag and drop this element into the section where you want the video background to appear. Once the video element is placed, click on it to open its settings. In the General tab, locate the video source option. Here, you can either upload a video from your computer or paste the URL of a video already uploaded to your Shopify files. After adding the video, adjust the settings so it fits your design properly. Make sure the video covers the section area to achieve the background effect. When everything looks the way you want, click Save and publish your page. That's it. You've successfully set a video as a background in Pagefly, giving your Shopify page a modern and eye-catching look. Thanks for watching and happy designing.